The 2026 Honda ZoomerX is here, and it's turning heads like never before. Welcome back to Auto Expert, your go-to channel for everything on two wheels. Today, we're diving deep into the latest iteration of one of Honda's most distinctive scooters. The 2026 ZoomerX carries forward its legacy with a bold attitude and unmatched urban practicality. First introduced in 2012, the Honda ZoomerX quickly made a name for itself with its rugged, exposed frame and minimalist styling. It's a scooter that has always stood out from the crowd, appealing to younger riders and urban commuters looking for something fresh. In 2026, Honda has elevated the ZoomerX design while staying true to its original DNA. The result is a scooter that looks futuristic, aggressive, and ready to dominate the streets. The exterior design of the 2026 ZoomerX is a masterclass in urban styling. Its skeletal frame structure remains a defining element, exposing key components in a way that feels both industrial and stylish. The scooter features a reworked front fascia with sharper lines and integrated LED lighting that enhances both visibility and aesthetics. The LED headlamp is now slimmer and more angular, giving the ZoomerX a predator-like face on the road. From the side, the profile is compact and athletic, with a high ground clearance and minimal body panels. The underbone frame is visible and painted in contrasting colors that highlight the scooter's structural uniqueness. Honda has clearly embraced customization, offering multiple colorways and accessory options for personalization. The wheels have been upgraded to 12-inch alloy rims with a more aggressive tread pattern. This not only adds to the overall look but improves grip and handling in dense traffic and urban roads. One of the standout design features is the absence of a traditional step-through floor. Instead, the ZoomerX retains an open frame with a lower center section. This gives it a distinctive silhouette and makes it easier to mount for riders of all heights. The minimal rear section is fitted with a sharp tail lamp and a compact rear fender that maintains the clean, edgy aesthetic. Performance-wise, the 2026 ZoomerX continues to impress with its refined 110cc air-cooled engine. It may not be a powerhouse, but this engine delivers consistent performance, excellent fuel economy, and low emissions. It's mated to a CVT transmission, providing a smooth and responsive riding experience. Perfect for stop-and-go city traffic and short commutes. The suspension setup includes telescopic front forks and a single rear shock absorber. These components are tuned for comfort and agility, allowing the ZoomerX to handle tight corners and uneven roads with confidence. The new model also features disc brakes at both ends, with an optional combi braking system for added safety. Riding the ZoomerX feels light, nimble, and fun, making it a great choice for new riders and seasoned commuters alike. Honda has also made sure the ZoomerX meets modern emission standards. It comes equipped with idle stop technology and enhanced fuel injection for better efficiency. The exhaust system has been redesigned as well, now more compact and tuned to emit a deeper, throatier note. In a sea of generic scooters, the 2026 Honda ZoomerX dares to be different. It blends unique styling with real-world performance and Honda's signature reliability. Whether you're a daily commuter or someone who just loves to ride, the ZoomerX offers a one-of-a-kind experience. That's all for today's in-depth look at the 2026 Honda ZoomerX exterior here on Auto Expert. Make sure to hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more updates on the latest rides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next ride.